Welcome back, students. In my previous class I have discussed language processor and definition of application software. So let us open that PowerPoint here. In the last class we have discussed these all the points. Okay, so these are the points discussed: what is assembler, what is interpreter, and what is compiler in a brief. If you are not watched, so please watch that video, you will understand that. So what is this language processor? So these are the software which converts the high level language code into machine language code. Okay, so now that is discussed in a previous video. Okay, don't want to discuss once again here. Now the point is application software. So in that same video I have discussed what is application software. But once again, so let me define this. What is application? So these application softwares are the programs that is developed to perform the specific type of jobs. Okay? To perform specific type of a work, so these application softwares are developed. For example, you are playing the games, so that game application or game software designed only for specific purpose, only for playing the games. Or another VLC player, it plays only music and videos. Or Word, only we can do that typing work. Understood? So now, so for specific type of jobs can be done by using this application software. So this application softwares, again, they are divided into two categories. One is general purpose application software. In today's session we are going to learn general purpose application software. So in that, first one is word processing software. So you might be heard Microsoft Word. Okay, so that Microsoft Word is a best example for word processing software. So word processing, this Microsoft Word helps you to create professional looking documents. So professional looking documents can be created by using Microsoft Word. So let me open that Word and I'll show you. So where is that Word? Okay, Microsoft Word. So this is word processing software. Okay. Here, so by using this software you can create professional looking documents quickly and very efficiently. So several tools, several options are given. So by using these options you can design the documents. So it provides many features to change the appearance of a text in the desired manner. Here they are given different options by different features. By using that we can change the appearance of a text. Okay, so the text what you have entered here, so the appearance of that text can be changed in a desired manner. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text, and can even produce a hard copy of the document as per the requirement. Here easily we can add the text, we can delete the text, or we can edit the text. And after doing this all, if you want to take a printout, you can take the printout from here. Okay, print option is given. So by using this option we can take the printout. Okay, some of the examples: Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org, Writer, etc. So these are the some example of word processing software. So second one is electronic spreadsheet. Electronic spreadsheets means, so in general, Microsoft Excel. So this application, this Microsoft spreadsheet program helps you to perform calculations and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze in a better way. We can do the calculations. Different types of calculations can be done by using Microsoft Excel. Okay, so Excel application is here. So this application helps us to do the calculation. We can do the calculations by using this application. And here also several features, several tools are given to calculate in a quick manner. And after making the calculation, we can insert the charts according to that data. So here charts are given, we can insert the chart. What it means, so when we insert the chart, that data gets displayed, or data can be analyzed in a better way. It is used for creating documents to manage and organize numerical data. So means numbers data, means like a result sheet or salary sheet. So that all can be created by using this Excel. Some of its application areas are, means where we are using this Microsoft Excel. One is financial accounting. In the financial accounting, cost analysis, interest calculation, etc. So if you want to calculate the interest, or if you want to calculate means the salaries, result sheets. So in that all the cases, it is the best application. So this Microsoft Excel is the best application to use. So VisiCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. So the first spreadsheet program was VisiCalc. Nowadays we are using Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc. So these are the some examples of electronic spreadsheet application. So next is database management. Each one of us uses database unknowingly in our daily routine. So in our day-to-day regular life we are using database. Okay, so now you might be thinking where we are using database. Now for example, we are maintaining the telephone directories, payroll information. So in a telephone directory and all, we are writing the names, we are writing the number, and whenever that person changes the number or whenever that person changes the address, so we are updating the diary. Okay, so that is the database. So this database software helps us to arrange and store large amount of information in an organized manner. So large amount of information can be arranged in an organized way. So that is the use of database. So let me show you where is that application. In Microsoft Office you have that application, that is Microsoft Access. So this Microsoft Access is the database application. You can see blank database or web database. You can create a database and you can arrange the data in the form of tables. You can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print and retrieve the information stored in a database. So in this database, whatever the data we have stored, so that data can be find, data can be updating means we can make the changes anytime, and we can sort, we can arrange that data in the form of ascending or descending order. We can take the printout, okay, so that all the work can be done for this database. So Microsoft Access is the example for this database. Some other means Oracle, Fox Pro and all. So when we install Microsoft Office, we get this database management system, DBMS. Okay, so next is presentation software. Presentation software means PowerPoint. It is used to present an idea or concept in a lively manner. If you want to present any views or any concept, so in that case, so this presentation software will be used. See, now I am using presentation software only. So this is created, this slide is created by using PowerPoint presentation. So here I am conducting the class. Okay, so class is going on with the help of PowerPoint presentation only. So this software helps you to create and display slides on a computer or a projector for a business and educational purpose. So now we are using this PowerPoint for educational purpose. So in the business world also, people are using in a meeting to conduct the meeting, seminars and all, they are using this PowerPoint application. Good application to present the views, present the ideas. It lets you to create slides. So slide means one page, like in a book we have a pages, same way in a presentation we have a slide. Slide is like a page in a book. Okay, so there we can insert a slide, insert chart, we can do the animation, and we can insert the audio or video clips. Okay. Microsoft PowerPoint is an example. Same way we have Adobe Flash or OpenOffice.org, Impress. So these are some other examples for presentation software. So I hope you have understood these points, application software. So in the next class I will continue with desktop publishing software. Thank you for watching.